treat other people the way that you want other people, the way that you want other people to treat you. You've got to treat other people the way that you want other people, the way that you want other people to treat you.
Hi, I'm Kathy Santelli. I'm the principal of Woodview School. We just wanted to say thank you to Mr. Jinsey today. He had an amazing assembly for us. Our kids learned how to be kind, and all the messages that we repeat to them every single day were wrapped up in his amazing song. So thank you, Mr. Jinsey. We loved having you here at Woodview School.
So we had Jinsey today with Lincoln Elementary, and our students are really pumped up. What a positive message at this time of the year when sometimes we forget being kind to each other is a great thing to do. Our students are great kids. They're amazing, and they have a lot of love for each other, and today just affirmed that. So thank you. Fantastic assembly.
Thank you, Mr. Jinsey Harton, so much for coming to perform at Dryden today. You brought such a powerful and important message that we all so much need to hear and have emphasized, especially during this time that we're all going through. Your music uplifted us and brought so much positive energy. The children were just so happy to be dancing. We enjoyed it so much. We hope to see you again.
Yeah, everybody needs a friend sometime to help you make it through the day and give you peace of mind. So be a friend, lend a helping hand, and you will find that it's cool. It's cool to be kind. Cool to be. It's cool to be kind. Cool to be. Gonna spread it like a wildfire everywhere we go, turning into something big, yeah, something beautiful. Every time we pass it on, yeah, we can see it grow. It's contagious. Every little bit of kindness goes a long way. We can lift somebody up, yeah, make a better day. Gonna tell it to the whole world that is here to say.